Hi guys, today we're making pancakes and yeah.
Flour?
Yeah, and milk. Nah, that's nice. Like that's enough.
Oil?
Yeah, oil. A little bit of water. I need a cup. Water.
Let's. Water?
A little bit more milk.
More milk.
Yes, it's gonna be nice and creamy. It's the safe ingredient. Is that enough? I think that's enough. Oil.
Okay. Is that good?
Mix more.
Okay, what you're doing?
So I want to put some more oil on. I got the ratio ready. I put a little bit more milk and flour. So you're just gonna that way. Give me a second. I need something. Oh, I think I found it. This stove is on. It's gonna. Okay, guys, the heat is already. We're just gonna put on the batter. And just kind of get it everywhere. Now, just let it cook. How it is, we'll put maybe a little bit more batter in it because I feel like it could use a little bit more. It's a bit slim, I must say. You're just gonna mix and then you're gonna get it like that and everything. You don't want it too thin where you can't get it off, but you don't want it too thick also. We're gonna do like the pancakes where you can roll them up basically. So they're gonna, this is how I make my pancakes and family does. Give me a second. No, gravity's not doing too much work for me, so I'm just gonna spread that better. Look at that, that's good. Just gonna spread it everywhere. Okay, so we're gonna flip. Whoop.
Yeah.
Okay, we're about to flip. Oh my gosh. There you go, we're almost there. Okay guys, we're about to do the flip. Oh, let me go get that. Oh, now we're here. Now we're here. So when we're at it, I'm gonna put this down, and I'm thinking I'm gonna do pistachio. I'm not sponsored. Don't look at the brand. We're gonna make a pistachio pancake, and come with me. And with me, I'm just gonna put it down. Oh, rainy. I'm gonna break it a little bit. Break in another half? Oh, I can.
Yeah.
It's gonna be beautiful. Now we're just gonna put it in. I found the recipe.
New recipe.
Yes. Wait to melt. But I have to keep going. That's how I mix it up. So, yeah. I'm overwhelmed. This is good.
No, that's he knows what.
You want to mix this up? And then you're gonna fold it.
Hot.
It's hot, yeah. And then you're done. You got your thing with pistachio in it. Goodbye.